Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if your iPhone user and you are facing this problem, your payment method was declined. So keep watching this video until the end. I will teach you some solution about this problem. So guys, close this window and first of all open setting application appears on screen. Here is tap on Apple ID and tap on payment and shipping. Here tap on it. Guys, first of all check payment information is correct or not. If possible, please change the payment method and add new payment method. Guys, if this method not work, so call your concerned bank and request to please allow international purchasing on my credit or debit card. Guys, if you think this problem's not having with you, I have written the article on my website and I have wrote all the problems about this topic. Please open Safari and Google and search park for all.online and search here. After enter is the first website, simply tap on it and here's the article. You can see. If don't get this article here, you can search here about this topic. You can see appears on screen. Scroll down and read all the problem. I hope your problem will be solved after written my article. After that, new way, simply tap on media and purchases. Here tap on it and tap on view account. Here guys, please change country or region. Make sure country change must be according to your payment method. If after changing the country your problem will not solve, so close this window and open Safari application and search here applespot.com. Here after opening, select your device, iPhone. Here after that tap subscription and purchases, and here guys update payment method. Wait for some second. Now simply tap on continue. Here searching for your. Here guys, simply scroll down, then scroll down and simply tap on contact us. Here tap on it. Here guys, these numbers of Apple Spot team you can call and share your problem. If this method not work, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more update.